Hi there, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can find servers on Discord without a link. So the first thing that you will have to do is make sure that you've already logged into your Discord account. And by the way, this is really easy. So the first thing after logging in, of course, you will just have to look for explore or discover. So it really depends on the terminology that your current Discord version has. So once you see discover, you will just have to click it, and now that you're here, you will see this list of servers that are available. So you can basically just pick from this. So you can also pick a category, whether it's about gaming, music, entertainment, science and tech, education, students hub. So there are really a lot of categories that you can choose from. So yeah, for example, I would want to join this server. So basically what I would just have to do is click it and then just wait for it to load. And to officially join the server, what you will have to do is click join, which is right here on the top, and then just go ahead and click that, and officially I'm in the server. So yeah, you will just have to fill out all this stuffs so that you will be able to actually join the server. And yeah, that's basically just it. And now I'm officially in the server after I finish this. So yeah, that's it. And I really hope this video helped you. And please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.